Okay, let's talk about how you can completely transform your space with some serious style.
Are you just tired of looking at the same old boring blank walls every day?
Because let's be real, decorating the old way is expensive, messy, and feels way too permanent. But there's a simple solution. Meet modern wall stickers. You might also know them as decals.
And you know what's so great? There's literally a design for every single style out there.
You can go for that clean, sophisticated look with some cool geometric and abstract patterns.
Or you could bring a little nature inside with these beautiful floral designs.
You can even put words that actually inspire you right up on the wall.
And get this, some designs are even 3D. They create such a stunning focal point. The secret is in the high-quality materials, like durable vinyl and even waterproof PVC. And putting them up, it's so easy. Just clean, plan, peel, and smooth it on. When you compare them to paint or wallpaper, well, the advantages are pretty obvious.
The best part is they're completely damage-free, perfect for renters or if you just like changing your mind.
At the end of the day, this is about turning your walls into your own personal canvas. So if you're ready for a change, you've got to check out all the amazing designs at VAR Solution.